a Spring Boot project jar file using command line. The properties, get the root directory location, open command prompt, confirm if Maven is installed in your system. If it's downloaded and configured inside environment variable, then it will show Apache Maven 3.9.11. To check Java version and JDK, we have to go sysdm.cpl, advanced tab, environment variable, set java underscore home value, go to the path, edit, add java home bin, Microsoft VS Code that help us to execute endpoint, get, post, put, etc. Click OK. Okay. Okay. Now execute the build. If there is no error in your STS or Spring Tool suite, your build will be success. The target folder and the jar file generated or not. Yeah, it is generated. Use java-jar command to execute the jar file. If there is no error on server startup, you will see Tomcat started on port 8080. It means your server is up and running. Go to the command prompt, execute the curl command. There is nothing, no data present. Add or push some data. Paste anyway. Then, yeah, one record added successfully. So you have to open next editor, execute the command, get water, right click and send request. It will get the JSON record. We have ID, brand, liter, price. Add more data. by using post call. Right-click, send request. Now we have to record. We can execute get endpoint and verify data. We have ID1 and ID2.